It's your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty, and I have a dilemma. So I purchased these heart-shaped piñatas because I follow Amanda Albright, who is a marketing genius. She's a realtor out of Illinois, and I wanted to stuff these with candy so I could use them for my February pop-bys for some of my past and current clients. But I don't know how to open them. I don't know where you open them to put the candies in. Let me grab this. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Yay! I figured it out. It almost took me out. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and start getting some of these stuffed. I have planned to give these out next week. So I will bring you in on the final product. Today, I'm going to be bringing you behind the scenes as I show you how I plan to spread a little February love, because we know that a little bit of love is all it takes. I'm going to spread February love with my latest pop-bys. I love surprising our amazing clients, friends, and community with thoughtful little gifts, because real estate isn't just about buying and selling homes, it's about building relationships. So build with the red houses, build it and they will come. So right now I am showing you my latest package that I got in. It's going to be some postcards for February. I have a red velvet cupcake recipe card that I'm going to be giving out to some current and past clients. I have a market update card that I'm going to be sending out to the communities that I farm. And then right now I am opening up a postcard which has nothing to do with February but all year. I needed some more 2025 new home, new you, call me, I'm your realtor type thing. So I'm going to be sending more of those out. We've already gotten out about 1,000 of those this year. I needed 100 more, and I'll probably need 100 more next month. We'll see. And here I'm just showing you some additional postcards that I've gotten in that I will be sending out this month. So to polish off these piñatas, I'm going to blow up some balloons and get those attached so I can go about my way and start my deliveries. But I wanted to remind you that I would love to be your homegirl. If you have any real estate needs or any questions, please feel free to call me or text me or email me. All of my contact information will be listed in the description of this video. But just like these piñatas, the real estate market is full of sweet surprises. If you're ready to buy or sell, let's make your real estate dreams come true. I'm always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Until next time, stay sweet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.